In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problems. If your mouse wheel is scrolling too fast, too slow, or not behaving the way you expect, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through some simple checks and adjustments you can make right on your computer, without needing any special tools or advanced technical knowledge. First, start by making sure your mouse is properly connected. If you're using a wired mouse, check that the cable is firmly plugged into a USB port and not loose or damaged. For wireless mice, confirm that the USB receiver is securely connected and that the mouse is turned on and has enough battery power. Weak batteries can cause strange scrolling behavior, so if things feel inconsistent or jumpy, swapping in fresh batteries is a quick test. Next, we'll look at your mouse settings in the operating system. Open your computer's settings, then go to the section for devices or Bluetooth and devices and choose mouse. Here you should see options that control how the scroll wheel behaves. Look for a setting that says how many lines to scroll at a time. If scrolling feels too fast, try lowering this number. If it feels too slow, raise it a bit and test again. Make small adjustments, then scroll in a document or web page to see how it feels. Some systems also have an option to scroll one screen at a time instead of a few lines. If your scrolling seems to jump too far with a single flick of the wheel, make sure this option is turned off so you're only scrolling a few lines per notch of the wheel. If your mouse has its own software from the manufacturer, open that as well. Many modern mice include extra settings like smooth scrolling, acceleration, or custom scroll profiles. Disable any advanced features temporarily to see if they're causing inconsistent movement. The goal is to get a clean, predictable scroll first, then turn features back on one by one if you want them. You should also check for dust or dirt around the scroll wheel itself. Gently blow around the wheel or use a soft, dry cloth to clean the area. Avoid using liquids directly on the mouse. Debris can interfere with the scroll sensor and cause the wheel to skip or scroll in the wrong direction. Once you've checked the connection, adjusted the settings, and cleaned the wheel, test your mouse in several apps, like a browser, a document, and a long settings page. If the scroll feels smoother and more consistent across all of them, you've successfully fixed the mouse wheel scrolling problem.